For they could not love you.
Tatay, marami kaming masasayang alaala kasama ka. Mula sa mga simpleng kwentuhan, tawanan, at mga sandaling magkakasama tayo bilang pamilya.
Uy! Merry Christmas!
Bawat memorya ay mananatiling espesyal sa aming mga puso. Hindi man madali ang pagkawala mo, nagpapasalamat kami dahil naging bahagi ka ng aming buhay.
Sobrero din sa kanya!
You taught us the value of hard work, kindness, faith, and unconditional love. Ang mga aral na iniwan mo ay dadalhin namin habang buhay. We may no longer see you or hear your voice, but your presence will always be felt in our hearts and in the memories we shared. Your love will continue to guide us every day.
Ay, Brasya na pala ang pangalan nito eh. Brasya.
Oo, parehong lugar, oh.
Ibang beauty ko.
Ayan, ito yung mangganay, ito yung bunga niyan. Ito yung bunga niyan.
Wala pa nga.
Ito nga, oh, ito. Mangga.
Tatay, mamimiss ka namin ng sobra. Thank you for being an amazing grandfather and for loving us so deeply.
Empty home. Pray to set some name. Lumilipas ang panahon ay kabulong, and how you suffered for your sanity. Now you try to set them free. They would not
Rest peacefully, Tatay, knowing that you will always be loved, remembered, and cherished. Na mahal ka namin at hindi ka namin makakalimutan.
Oh, hug your partner. Hug your partner.
silver song like a rose, lying crushed and broken on the verdant snow. Now I think I know. Lapit mo na. What you try to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity. Now you try to set them free. They would not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never
Galing.
ay kabiyak ng ating gunita sa paglipas ng panahon. Bakit kailangan din lumisan? Panahon ang pagkakataon, ay babalik ba ang kahapon? Yung ikaw ay nabalik, tulad ko rin ng iyong pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula, ngayon ay naglaho. Saan nahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, ay kabiyak ng ating luta.